Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a clean with me video. I'm cleaning the top of my dresser with all my hair products, my skincare products, everything that I use is there. I'm not gonna be speaking much in this video. I'm gonna play some music for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so these that are left in my hand, these are my empty products. I'm gonna get rid of them. Just some hair stuff and some deodorant, some what's not. I'm gonna use one, and that is the African Pride leave-in cream to do some DIY stuff in. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after picture. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below, share and comment. Is how it looks in afterwards. And don't forget, be safe, be blessed, always stay stress free. And I see you guys in my next video. You'll be getting some natural hair content in the next video. So until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys, thank you so much.